Good day, my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna focus on an engineering drawing and two sectional drawing. But yeah, we're mostly going to do first angle orthographic projection. Without waste of time, guys, let me read the question there. It was taken from previous question papers, and now first one says first angle orthographic projection. Figure 1 on the next page shows two primary views of a bracket in first angle orthographic projection. Draw to scale 1:1 the following views in first angle orthographic projection. A full sectional front view on cutting AA, a full sectional top view on cutting BB, okay, and a sectional left view on cutting CC. Insert following title scale centrally beneath the layout. Center bracket scale 1:1. Okay, looking at our drawing, they say we must draw in first angle orthographic projection. Now, looking at our symbols, it indicates that it's also in first angle orthographic projection. And we discussed that in first angle, we have a front, left, and the top. Simply now we have to identify which views are we given. Now we have a front here, we have a top and the bottom. And now, the next thing that we have to do is also get the dimensions. From front, we see length and the height. Okay, from the top, we see length and the breadth, or can say the width. Now, what I'm saying is we must check the total length, total height, total length, and total breadth. So, remember guys, what we are doing here, we are drawing an object but in different views. What you simply mean is one object, but we see it from different views. Okay, of which we have a front here and the top there. Now, looking here, we have to get our total length. Our total length now is from here to here. So meaning there are some measurements that you cannot see from front, but you can see from the top. For example, how do we get the total length here? We say 100 is from here to here. We have two center here and the other center for this circle and the other circle there. From here to here is 100. We have a diameter of 60. Half of 60 is 30. So meaning you're going to say 100 plus 30 plus. We have a diameter of 50 that side. Half of 50 is 25. Meaning it's 100 plus 30 plus 25. Of which it gives us 155. Total height we can see from the front there, that is how much? 65. 155 here. Total breadth we can see is how much here? 60. How do we see? From here to here, a diameter of 60, which is from here to here. We have 60. Okay, let me first project the first angle projection here. Because we were asked to draw three views. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to measure. You can use either 5, 5, 6, 6, whatever, but I prefer to use 10, 10. 10 over here. I'm going to draw a line going up. This thing is help us to project the view that we are not given. Okay. Coming over again over here. The line going up. So meaning my front view must start here going this side. Top view, it has to start this point coming this side. Left view start there going there. Now total length, we say we agree that is 55, 155. Here's my 155 from here. And the same length that I see from front is the same length I see from the top. So now this is what I can do. Draw line going up. So now my total height found out that is 65. Here is 65. Draw line going that side. Okay, my total breadth 60. editorial line. When you get here, stop editorial line going up. Now we can verify that also yes, 60, yes. You can see that is 60. Perfect. Okay. Now, the next step that we're gonna do is we have to project our lines now. We have to get the center here and also that center there. From the bottom going up, they say 30, of which is half of 60. I have to measure 30 going up. Here's my line of 30. I'm gonna draw a line there. Okay. Now it says from the bottom going up here is 25. Come this side. I must measure 25 is here. Okay. Now, next part that I'm gonna have to do is, see, we have a circle here. So we have to measure from here to here, of which is how much? 30. I'm gonna have to measure 30 again here. Here is 30. I'm gonna draw a line. Going up. Now, on the other side here, from here to here, we have 250, half of 50, 25. I come and measure 25 here. Here's my 25. Okay. There goes my line 25. Now I'm gonna have to use my compass. Okay. I'm gonna insert it here. I'm gonna put it there. You must touch over my point there. You must touch also at the bottom. Okay, so now I can draw up my circle. Okay. Came over again to this point over here. I must draw up a circle again here. Okay. Then now, the next part, inside I've got a smaller circle there with diameter of 40, meaning now I have to measure 20. There's my line 20. Now that's one other one here is inside diameter of 30. I have to measure 15. Now I have to draw both circles. Okay. Okay, so now I've completed my drawing my two circles there. You can see the bigger circle is this section, guys. So I'm just going to take it from here. I'm gonna draw a line going where? Up there. I'm gonna take this circle, it's somewhere here from the top. I'm gonna take that one also. I'm gonna draw a line coming here. Remember, it has internal diameter here. You have internal diameter there. So now I'm gonna draw my line there. Show you my internal diameter. Also this one over here, it has internal diameter. Here's my internal diameter. Okay. Now it's time to highlight our drawing. Highlight my drawing from outside. First, start by highlighting outside. Okay, it's there. You're gonna take it from here. It goes there. Now it comes here with a line going down. Here with here. Coming to the other side there. You can take it from the center there. It ends here with a dark line. Okay. It's from here going up 65. To the line going up 65. Okay. You have to draw another one here. Comes there. Now what you have to do is you're gonna take it from this center, you're gonna bring it here. Okay. Okay. Hope you guys can see what I've drawn there. Now, the last part that is left, we have this thickness of our arm. You can say one arm, if they say it's 10. Okay, you can measure 5 here, 5 on the other side. Coming to the top one there. Also, you can measure 5 and 5. Here's how it goes, guys. Okay. Okay. Alright. Comes there. Okay. Okay. Now, this thing that is left. Remember, our question was say full sectional front view on cutting AA. Where's AA? Our AA, we have to see it from the top. Now it's cutting over here. Meaning we were cutting. We came across a hole. Simply meaning we were sectioning. We came across this circle. We do not section the circle. Okay? We leave the circle. Leave the circle. From here again, we're gonna start cutting. We cut straight on the arm. Cut, comes over here. Cut. We came across a hole again. So how many holes we came across? We came across 2 holes, 1, 2, of which we have 1, 2. So now we do not section the holes and the worms. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. That we do not section there. We do not section there. The arms, and I mean to say worms and the holes. Simply mean here we have to highlight this line over here. Another one this side. Okay. Now same thing applies to the top. Full sectional top view on cutting BB. Here's our line cutting BB. We cut. We're cutting this. Cut. You came across the hole. Where is it? We have this. We continue cutting. We came across the hole, of which is this one. So now we don't have to section the hole. So meaning we're not gonna section here. We're not gonna section the holes. Okay, so now since you're not going to section the holes, you can just simply highlight there, you highlight there. Then now we can also highlight our worms, our arms, which is this. You can also round that one there. Okay, hope you guys can see my drawing. Also have this one over here, highlight. Also gonna highlight this one. Okay, how are we going to section the top? Gonna section in one line, right? But before we can section, we must project the left. Cutting where? Cutting line CC. If you take a look here, our cutting line CC starts from here, it ends here. Here's our cutting line CC. Simply mean we are removing this other part. We're gonna start looking from it here, from these 2 points, right? So already we have it there. Coming to our drawing, we're gonna see it from here to here. Let's first draw the other line here. I could remember we are removing this other part. We're gonna take a look at our left view from this line, of which is this line over there. So now we're gonna have this point there. We're gonna have to draw a straight line there. We have this one over there, straight line. We have this part again, straight line. Do you guys get it? But remember, we have this arm. You see this arm over here is the arm here. Remember, this is the top view. So now what we're gonna do is draw a line here. A thin line comes here. Another one comes here. Then now, when it gets here, it goes where? It goes up. There goes it. Goes it. There. So let me highlight our left view, guys. This is what you're gonna see. You're going to see something like this. Again over here. Last one over there. The vertical lines. The line coming here. Coming down there. You should have this part over here. Another part over here. But remember, we cutted this thing here. We didn't cut our arm, so we leave our arm. Okay, so now we can section our drawings. Okay, but guys, let me try to highlight our circles, guys. Okay, let me just try to see if I'll be able to highlight my circles. Okay, there goes it. Because my lid, guys, are on a proper lid. Okay, also highlight this one here. Okay. Just trying to highlight. Okay. I have to move, open it there. You can leave the construction line. So now we have to highlight our drawings. So now we can start sectioning. Okay, just trying to highlight. Remember, our sectioning line, they must move at the same angle, and also the distance, it should be equal. So guys, just have to take your time when sectioning. Okay, down the top view. sectioning, guys. And I'm saying when sectioning, you have to be careful and take your time. Don't have to rush. Okay, another one there. You have another one here. So make sure all your lines are at the same angle and the distance apart is equal. Okay, coming over for this one here. As I did explain to you on which section, which part are we going to section. Okay. 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 There you go again. There you go again. There you go. Now this is what we're gonna have, guys. We have a front here, so now just have to highlight this. Just like my canvas, guys. No, I'm not here with the quality of my canvas, the lead canvas. Just make sure your lines are clearly visible here. As you can see, guys, it moves time and time again. I'm not able with it. Okay, you're gonna have something like that. Okay, then now the last part that you have to do here is also to draw those lines like they've asked you to. Also, you have to write must write it in capital letters, guys. Bracket, there goes it. Bracket, also you must show with the scale there. Can you just measure 7 millimeters, 7 millimeters. And right. Scale 1:1. The last part you have to show with the symbol. Was the way you record, show with the symbol. Insert the title and the scale, center be not allowed. That's all. We only asked to do that. So, as I have agreed that, guys, we will not gonna section the arm because our cutting line start from this section, go in that section. Okay, and the top view, it was cutting, use the front, cutting over there, meaning we're cutting here, we're cutting over all over here. We don't section the worms and also the holes. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate that. Thank you, guys.